nami nanginqabile ngitshelile ukuthi le show yakhe imizoqeka into zami ngizoyivala kwayona ke ingaqali lokuqala straight cause ngibe clear qalini ukuthi angiyifuni lezolanda ipast yami ngifuna ukuletha umuntu kwishow obipast so alenze nje into yakhe kahle angalandi into zami. I was hoping ukuthi ngizohola imali right last week, so nentombazane engangithembisa ukuthi ngizoyifakela imali yayingisiza ngemali yama-fingerprints. So yangihlupha sengizange ngiqambela amanga ngathi ngithumela imali komunye umuntu akungeni. Angazi noma ungayi-WhatsApp ngefoni yakho noma uthini, angazi uzalo yabo, angifuni ukuthi uVuyokazi mayeseposta mina hayi ngimtshelile ukuthi angaphosti lutho, so yena wa-insista-ke kwathi uzoposta. Ngiya-understand uVuyokazi ukuthi wayesho kanjalo yabo, and nakaphiwe kuthiwa angenze imbeleko yengane jiki manje baba khona ufuna ukukhuluma nami, angazi ukuthi ufuna ukuthini yabo, ukuze sikwazi ukuthi sikhulume earlier on. Ngiphiwe idatha la kwi-sim card yami, bangiphe u-5 gig, so ngakwazi ukuthi ngiconnecte earlier on before ngibuyela endlini. So nje ngistresswa ileyo nto. Okunye nje lokho okwamandende akungistress, ile zinto nje zamanje ezivesane nje zingithena amandla. Eva okwenzakalayo mina I'm thinking for kusasa, future, and should I decide to come back, yazi ukuthi in a following right I can start a business, I'll be well known, so I know what I'm doing.
Hello guys, and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe, I'll absolutely appreciate it. Guys, the conversations that I'm about to read now, I think it's Sabelo talking to his friend or something of that sort, right? So he says ngowaselokishini mina ngisambuka nje until we get married, ngimtshele ukuthi ngizocela angiphumele ku-TV. Hayibo guys, it's giving controlling, but that's, I mean, that's her job, that's her career. She's trying to build a career on TV, and for that matter uSabelo ubone uVuyo ku TV, because remember her baby mama said uSabelo wayehlezi nje ethi uyamhawukela uVuyo. So guys, I don't know, let me not even say much because lingaze lingihlafune ngoba alifuni into ethinta uVuyo. Okay, just stay woke, and in every step always ask yourself, Xolani, what's in it for you, for me? Guys, this conversation is not giving. She won't khohlwa 100k imali encane kabi. Should uV wouldn't have a show had it not been for you. Yes. Asiyibuke izobora. She won't have season 2 unless she breaks up with me. Mina, I wouldn't even advise Ato to be there. If she was my child, bengizonqaba. The fact that she is getting her own spin-off show, it means she has potential of growing into an influential and sought after public brand. Currently she might be getting 25k a season, now it will be 100k, and next opportunity might be 500k. She's smart and she's got kids to think about. She will never let go of TV after this. You will remember my words. Let's watch and see. Nami, I need to pay my cards. I guess I was trying to say I need to play my cards. Ngokusiza kakhulu. If she wants to use me, Nami, I'll use her. Okay, this conversation is not giving, guys. From this conversation, ungathi nje akukho ukuthembana. It seems like uXolani doesn't trust uVuyo like 100%, and whoever is talking to him also is planting those seeds, our lack of trust and everything, because he's insinuating with uVuyo is sort of here to build her brand, you know, to build a career, and acabangela ingane zakhe kuphela, so uXolani must watch his back. uXolani must like I want what's in it for him. Guys, it doesn't have to be like that. Marriage, I just wish uXolani nje support uVuyo in the career that she's trying to build, you know, on our screens and everything. You know, guys, abangani bayimoshinto guys. be smart ungagcina usubizwa ngebhari by other gents. Currently bayakuvuma up your game ke. Lol, angithi ngeke ungivumele ngihlabe uLondi. Who is this Londi? Okay, could be his ex-wife or ex-girlfriend or something, or or the baby mom, I don't know. The only thing in V's mind is the bag and her kids. What? Guys, this is a toxic conversation, by the way. Whoever is speaking here, he is speaking on behalf of Vuyo. It's like he's able to read Vuyo's mind, and he knows Vuyo is just after the bag and not after marriage. Guys, but it's toxic. Let me just say this. Lalila, when a woman truly loves you and wants you, you won't even need to even ask for nudes. She blesses you, especially if she knows you're permanent. I'm not buying her story. Aibo. Guys, please do let me know what you think about this whole conversation. It's not make sure for me. It's giving, I don't know. Firstly, I was saying that it's a toxic conversation to have. If Uxolani is talking to his friend, then the friend is toxic or doesn't really wish well for him. But anyways, please do let me know what you think on the comment section. So guys, all of these scoops, we are getting them from Lady Londi from Facebook. So apparently Vuyo, also posted an Instagram stories on her Instagram. I'm trying to look for the Instagram stories, but basically she was saying that Lady Londi makafukule wonke amafayili nje, awafukule amafayili amadala lamasha langamanga, awafukule yena. She doesn't care, you know. That's yo. Anyways, guys, I can't wait for the spin-off show so that we get to know, you know, the real scoop, what's going on. Why did Vuyo decide to marry Uxolani, like in such a short space of time? So apparently she has deleted the post that I was talking about Vuyo. But anyways, I already screen grabbed it. I have it on my gallery. I'm going to post it here. I'm saying I can't wait for the spin-off show because I want to know what made Vuyo move on so fast and what made her go on to marry Osabelo after all these red flags. After an overflow of red flags, guys, people are coming for Xolani left, right and center. They want their money. It seems like he's owing a lot of people some money. So I wish to know from her, why did he marry Xolani so fast, yet seeing all these red flags? I know with you guys are so happy for her. Me personally, I'm happy for the fact that she left Uswind. But as for marrying Xolani, I'm not sure. I don't want to lie. I'm not sure. But I just want to hear from her. I don't want to hear from you guys because you guys are just happy to spin. So I hope the spin-off show comes around and we get some clarity. Anyways, also I wish the best for her in her career, like on the screens, because she's good for TV. She's reality TV gold, by the way. She's good for TV. Anyways, thank you so much guys for watching. Please do let me know what you think on the comment section. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.